Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. After i-first starting lineup ezolo abantu ba-react-e kakhulu obviously ngokuthi why uDupreez eqala because of akakadlali i-game for some time. And then ngibonile abantu baphikisana under ama-comment section ukuthi uyadeserve ukuqala, bamnika i-opportunity. And then abanye abantu to a point where bathi ba-protector uModi, bathi uModi une-experience, uModi uzonika i-Kaizer Chiefs something different because of e-Africa kufuneka ifiziki. uModi unayo ifiziki na in terms of strength sokulwa. Did you see it yesterday-ke? uDupreez yena unayo leyo physique, unayo leyo nkani. Cause uma ubheka, if like you go for his strength isikhathi esiningi, you'd rather take uDuba because uDuba uyamazi ukuthi uyi-warrior. Siyazi ukuthi nayo isizini yakhe ayikahambi kahle but siyamazi ukuthi uyi-fighter better than amanye ama-players cause of uDuba naye u-versatile, angakwazi ukudlala esayidini. And me-switch on ngempela uDuba uyakwazi ukulwa. Singazi ukuthi lama coaches, ama-co-coaches do they trust him? Bayamthemba na uDuba? Cause of coach nabe bemthemba uDuba. Yebo, noma kuthola ukuthi i-team ayenzi kahle but there was something. I remember this one time ucoach nabe ethi because of uDuba bamluza ku-suspension yama-yellow card wakhe, wathi important kakhulu ku-system yakhe, so kubalulekile ukuthi adlale, bazomkhumbula kakhulu. So imaphi ama-player o-coach abawathembayo? And at the moment o-co-coaches kune-trust between o-coach nama-player because of mawubheka kuna-trust between ama-coaches nama-players, between bona nje kuphela laphana ethimini uyabona ukuthi i-trust ayikho, ukuthembana mabebhekene ukuthi okay lo ngiyamthemba. Kuyi-important ukuba ne-player bafowethu elikuthembayo as ucoach, the player that is willing to die for you as a coach, likuthembe nawe ube yi-father figure, ube yi-leader. Because imagine kufana nengane bafowethu, there's no way mina ingane yami ingangithembi as ubaba ingihloniphe that much. Noma ingazama ukungihlonipha but kuyasho ukuthi angimthembi ubaba, mama i-decision making yakhe iphuwa. And lokho ukubona mase so-spend isikhathi like let's say you more mncane, you get the benefit, you give your father a benefit of the doubt, or you give your leader a benefit of the doubt, you give your teacher a benefit of the doubt. But as soon as you are more matured or spend isikhathi now uyabona ukuthi hayi akusiwo umuntu ongangilida-ke lo. Ama-player, do they trust o-coach na? Because of i-trust important kakhulu. Sometimes uthola ukuthi u-coach akekho qualified ukuba kuleyo department leyo, but because of une-relationship e-right nama-player, ama-player akwazi ukukulwela. So kubalulekile ukuthi as i-coach ama-player akulwele, hhayi ukuthi uma ubheka le asho ukuthi hayi lesiphukuphuku lesi. So lapho-ke i-team ayisebenzi bafowethu. So builder builder noma i-foundation e-strong, human relationship strong, i-strong kakhulu. Cause you only fight as a player, you only fight for umuntu omthembayo. When I played ibhola, you would fight for umuntu omrespectayo, whether umrespecta ngoba uyamsaba ucoach, uyathethisana ucoach ngeke akudlalise, know that ukuthi uma ungaperform ngeke udlale next game based on just ama-performances wakho. So asibheke amanye ama-comment lana wabantu engiwabonile ukuthi okay abantu bekune-back and forth aggression. And before ngiya kuma-comment i-aggression, and ngiyishilo lento le before i-game ngathi i-aggression important. I saw the players switch on laphana first half, but yeah, I didn't see that aggression from the boys because bebasemove, and leya team le bebadlala nawo beyingekho special to be fair. Uzofaka nelo second half, ufaka uMatlow, umshini ukhona, umunyane ukhona, ufaka abanye. And lento lo ukuthi ama-players ngeke adlala switch aye kumanye ama-positions but kaya-qualify. For example ubani uFrostler, sike sakhuluma indaba yakhe ukuthi uFrostler uyakwazi ukudlala kuma-positions amaningi, but-ke bona bayazi ukuthi i-right back i-covered, ngathi kudlaliswana ngey'bongo laphana. Thabiso Munyane is way better than lese abanye abantu. Abantu abaningi bathi baprefera uMunyane, baningi abantu abathi baprefera uMunyane. And obviously uMunyane ukuthola ama-opportunities ku-Chiefs you be ku-better place ukuthi adlale laphana ku-AFCON. But if abamthembi bona ethimini that much, badlalisa uSolomons kakhulu, inkinga of the problem. Angisho ukuthi uSolomons akadeserve ukudlala. So far this season uperformile but izola kayinikanga next i-Chiefs the way ngishilo previous video. But yeah, I think supporting hayi ngisasho bafethu no, ayikho ithi ngeke uwine ngale scheme lesi namhlanje bashaye ngaku-4 goals. Next game, the very next game uyachange wena ufaka abanye abantu bebangadlali, abantu laba bangakunikanga lutho. Asazi ukuthi i-Chiefs i-expecthe muphi umlingo ngempela bafethu. Uvele bayi I think a lot of us were expecting ukuthi uvele bayi ukuthi aqale because be-right and ispeed sakhe besi-right kakhulu because uyambona uvele bayi udirect uzobamba ibhola alifake. uModi uzobamba amabhola awenzeni abuyele nawo emuva. So yeah, but no, asimblame uModi, sithembe ukuthi noModi bafethu bazokwazi ukulwa. Hayi but hayi uModi ayikho into asazobanika yona manje, angeke. Oh, I saw asithi-ke uDu Plessis ukwazile ukushayisana negoli agcine lishaya, but akuyenzi i-performance yakhe leyo ibe right angisho. So Ngcobo, yazi uNgcobo waya complimentana kahle ubani noMthetho because of uMthetho akakwazi ukuphasa. So uNgcobo mekhona lapha inside the field of play, uMthetho one-option kaNgcobo, uNgcobo i-good pass off the ball, uyakwazi ukumnika leyo option yala eduze and then uNgcobo uthatha i-responsibility ukuthi acombine nama-team wakhe because of uMthetho akakwazi ukuphasa. uCele mebamba ibhola uzifaka enkingeni isikhathi esiningi, ufuna ukuli-holder too much. Angimazi ukuthi uya-hesitate ukuphasa noma ufuna ukuba ukushaya nama-fancy passes isikhathi esiningi or kwenzakalani ngayo or mebamba ibhola ucabanga kakhulu. I don't know i-headspace yakhe ukuthi kuphi, maybe into embhayizisayo le ukuthi headspace ucabanga into ey'ningi mebamba ibhola. You can't change i-winning team. Nizobona le game la against iZamalek kuze sinye kuzenye i-line-up entsha bafethu, ngisho uzobona. I won't be surprised mekuqala uNgcobo, mhlampe kuqale bani, sobona ukuthi kuzoqala abantu, kuqala uNgcobo, kuzoqala uLilepo. I won't be surprised makuqala abanye abantu, but for sure kuzoqala abantu abanyu ku-team ye-Chiefs. uDu Plessis going back to kuma-grandstand but the previous game bedlala, then ubuze ukuthi ba-expect ukuwina kanjani. Chemistry ibaluleke kakhulu. I saw enye imessage uvele wathi i-losing lineup ibuyile futhi, and guess what, beqinisile losing lineup baluzile vele. So I think sometimes angazi ukuthi o-coach benza ngamabomu lese ngoModi, benza ngamabomu ngempela. You can't keep playing umuntu ongakuniki lutho. Mhlalise ebhentshini 5 games, mebuya understand ukuthi kumele alwe because of kumele-ke edlale. You won't give a team anything. You would give a team zero, nothing. So i-team izoba poor, i-team izoba flat, i-team ayikho into ezoyi-create exciting. Abantu bakhala uVilakazi bebange bamdlalise labo coach laba futhi naku-Chiefs. Ama-fans complain baze bamfaka. I remember lo coach lo Ben Khalil Youssef bembuza ku-conference ngoVilakazi, akafuni ukuthi une-team enkulu yena, akafuni ukuthi bambuze ngama-player elilodwa, kumele bafocus esquadini sonke. Wachaza nje le uyachaza ngakhona and u-arrogant no-coach wakhona mebuza lama-question lawo ngendaba kaVilakazi. Even i-media bekumele iphushe bafethu ukuthi oVilakazi bedlale bathole ama-opportunities, otherwise bebazothi no-coach, bebazothi uVilakazi abamdlalisi cause akanayo experience. Bebazosho the same thing lento le yenzeka kuBatman. And bheka-ke uBatman from ebhenchini une-speed umfana, une-speed. Imagine uhlanganisa experience, uhlanganisa na-everything but-ke they're not giving you that much. Thatha labafana laba abancane, riska ngabo-ke once, rather loser ngabafana abancane. Ufake uVilakazi, ufake uVelebayi, unumber 9 ufake uBatman, uShabalala emva kwakhe, ulanda uThulani Touch Mabasa umbeke, and then-ke ubeke uMthetho laphana emuva. Mhlampe lona-ke khona amaphutha wakhe-ke u-good in terms of ukudlala kakhulu ibhola uMcCarthy, but-ke khona izinto la angakabi comfortable, but-ke uhlakaniphile, intelligence ikhona. So and uyababona abafana abancane bane-confidence than abantu abadala. Why don't you just udlalise bona? And go left back, yeah, uCross wenza kahle, to be honest. Left back yeah, there's nothing to complain about. Too good okwamanje. Thabiso Munyani, why would you start? uSolomonzi angakwenza akwenzayo okunye singamncoma ngakho, but-ke angeke umthembe uSolomon, ngeke uye naye empini uthi uzobuya uphile uhamba noSolomonzi, never. And amanye ama-questions ekumele abuze ukuthi uLebohang Maboe i-contribution yakhe kuzoba yini. Ngibuza ngoba bafowethu siyazi ukuthi okay, introduction yakhe ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi ngimaze number 10, but-ke sika ku-Sundowns waba yini 8 or 6. or i-midfielder nje laphana ngithi central ne, bamsayine ukuthi uzodlala yiphi i-position nanokuthi uzo-contribute-a kangakanani. Ba-expect-eni kuye ukuthi uzodlala amagemu amaningi or bamsayine just ukuthi uzongena nalapha azo-assist-a? Uzodlala kakhulu, uzo-contribute-a egrawundini or bamsayinele ukuthi i-experience yakhe e-Afrika mekuhanjwa uzobatshela ukuthi okay, this is how you prepare kanje nakanje. I-influence yakhe bayibona ingakanani ethimini, yimaphi ama-expectations. I-City Chiefs izodlala amagemu awu-50 this season, ba-expect ukuthi adlale amagemu awungakhi, cause lonke iplayer malifika kumele bazi ukuthi uKwinika ba-expect ukuthi adlale let's say boma-25 games or more a season. Usibanibani hhayi ukuthi awusayini nje just ukuthi kumele u-celebrate ama-fans ukuthi a-celebrate ukuthi kune-player elisha, but ulisayina i-player une-plan ukuthi uzodlala kanje, lizo-contribute-a kanje. UNondlovu o-aggressive, obebalulekile for leya game leyo, aggressive, u-good ngey'nto ey'ningi. Siyazi ukuthi unomzimba omncane but i-aggression yakhe is better than uCele in terms of i-aggression. Akadlali naye. Abantu bakhalile bafowethu. Bathi uModi be-deserve ukuba sebhentshini. uModi, uSolomonzi, noDu Preez bebanga-deserve ukuqala. Du Preez akakwazanga ukuthatha i-opportunity yakhe bampresent-e, like bamnikile i-opportunity bathi thatha idla, wadluleka-ke. Msimango akaze uzoyithola nini i-chance yokuthi adlale, nanokuthi is he ready to play, and then menika i-opportunity ukuthi adlale uzoyinikani laphana i-team. uModi khona abantu abavele bathi uModi u-useless. Ayikho indaba yakhe ulo ovele angenza kangcono kabi kunale nto le yenziwa uModi. I-combination kaCele no-Ox bafethu ikhalisa abantu abaningi cause I see ama-comment lana. Ukuthi o-coach babonani ngempela kuModi ku-game enkulu kangaka. Ngicela ukuyibamba la in terms ama-comment wenu bafethu la bengi-react-a kuwo, sophinde sibuye. Danko.